And right here you can see the rim is covered by the wheel cover. So that's pretty nice. What if I told you you could take your 19-inch crossflow wheels on your 2026 Model Y Juniper and make them look like 20-inch Urbines? Would you be interested? That's what we're going to talk about today. So let's get to it right now. Car wheel covers. These are going to be the 19-inch wheel covers that will fit your Juniper crossflow. Plenty of bubble wrap, as you can see, and foam. They are matte black. They are not glossy at all. I kind of wanted to go down the matte black road because it's most similar to the finish on the, let me step back here, on the crossflows, right? You can see here, the center caps are also matte black, and they would go right there in the center. When you go to order your new wheel covers, you're gonna have a choice of this center gear style or more plain. So I just double checked on existing Tesla actual Urbine wheels, and they do have this gear pattern. So if you want the most closely resembled to stock wheels, you're gonna want the gear and not the plain. So they provided foam tape, and that's gonna go around the perimeter of the wheel cover. And I did clean the wheels, and I'll post up a picture of what the crossflows look like when they're super clean and the tires are dressed, just like the way yours are. I'm sure you keep them like that all the time. And if you're wondering what is the best tire dressing that I've been using for years, comment below. I'll be sure to share that information with you if you're curious about what's a really great tire dressing that's effective and lasts a long time. You can see I have a towel down here just so we don't scratch up the hubcap. You can see the foam tape there. So all the foam tape is all the way around. Now the kit doesn't come with any specific pull tools. I happen to own some plastic pry tools, but all we're gonna have to do is pry up on some of the wings on the crossflows, and it should just pop right out. So first I'll just try it by hand and let's see what happens. Nope, I would say no. That's pretty difficult. So I'm gonna try one of my plastic pieces and give it a quick pull. And that's all it took, just a little quick pull nudge. You don't have to pull really hard. I did hold my hand, you saw that, against it, so we're not pulling and basically breaking the wing off. So I'll just do it 5 more times. And oh, by the way, I just happen to be using this L-shaped type plastic pull pry bar. And I'm just gonna do the same thing. There we go. By the way, on the crossflows, you have a wide opening and a very skinny opening. I'm going through the wider of the 2 openings with the pry bar. Okay, I got all 5 wings off, so now I should just be able to give it some even pressure and pull at the center. There you go. So, whew, and you can see here, the spring clip, that's what's holding on into the hub. Now, of course, you don't have to do this, but since I'm in here and I want to keep everything, you know, as clean as possible, let's just hit it with some rinseless wash. Now, if you don't know what rinseless wash is, I've got a whole video on how I've cleaned this car using just rinseless wash, even in the winter with lots of salt and things. So I'll link that somewhere in the description below, just so you know what I'm talking about. Installing the new wheel cover, and all you really have to do to line it up is just find the valve stem opening right there, put it over the valve stem over here, and really it's just friction clips all around. You can see these clips that clip onto the wheel itself. So let's find the stem cover. Yep, that's it. You just punch them in. Now, what's really interesting about these wheel covers by EV Base is that compared to the cross-flow stock blades, it doesn't cover the edge of the actual rim. And right here you can see the rim is covered by the new tire cover or wheel cover. So that's pretty nice. Okay, pretty straightforward. We'll do the afters in a little bit. I gotta go around and do 3 more of them, and I guess you really don't need to watch it, so stick around to the end for the final review. Okay, there you go, all done. By the way, what do you think what they look like? I think they look pretty good. Tell me what you think in the comments below. Thanks again to EV Base for sending these over to me for review. This is not sponsored. Everything is my own thoughts, no more than that. So if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. In the description as well will be all the products I use in this video in case you're wondering how to clean up those wheels when you take off those covers. And lastly, I guess I have to ask you, be sure to like and subscribe if you found value in my content, because more is coming on Tesla's detailing, and I really wanted to kind of take you all through my garage. All right, so again, I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.